Alright, I'm working on a 2016 F-150. We have the wipers that are still going by themselves every once in a while. So this 2016 F-150 and the wipers are going by themselves. I got my scanner hooked up. I have the switch position on 0, but my scanner still shows front wiper intermittent data is on 1. I've moved my switch to position 1. Now it still shows 1. I moved the switch to position 2. Now it shows 3. So we have a bad switch. Go back to 0. Still have front wiper intermittent data 1. So we're going to replace the switch. So first you take the 3 bolts out of the bottom here. They're little 5.5mm bolts in these 3 holes here. And then we got 2 Torx on the sides right here. They're T10s. So I took the 2 T10 bolts out, and then you can just slide it right out, so you don't have to pull the steering wheel. Alright, we got our new wiper arm here. I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it right in here. Slide our new one in here. We need to put our bolts in. Alright, so I got the new switch installed. Now everything is off. Go to 1. On. Go to 2. Says 3. 4. 5. Off. Off.